Alright, so this is another video on another tab for Twitch, which is going to be the creator dashboard. So on this one, with the creator dashboard, which is under that same area on the right side, on the left side is your activity feed, which shows you what's been happening from bits that have been cheered, people that have followed, the day that it's happened, and little messages that they've put on there. And so that's where you can keep up with what's been happening while you've been gone, or if you want to see if anybody's followed or subscribed, you can also get the email sent to you as well. So this creative dashboard, if you look at it, is like a command center in a sense, where this is where you can control your channel while you're live, and these different things on the right hand side is of use as like a tool for you. So definitely utilize that and try to remember to be in this mode when you're streaming. This is a tool just like a command center, if you will. Have this open when you're live so you can utilize some of these buttons on the right. Now they'll give you the option to customize these, but what I have here is you can edit the stream info on the fly, run 60-second ad, raid somebody's channel, start a watch party or a movie, add a stream marker so that way you can go back and highlight a video so you can remember exactly where it was. Emote only. If you turn that on, that'll only allow people to talk with emotes and no chatting, of course. Emotes are a symbol that's in Twitch that is almost like emoji. Follow only chat is where somebody has to follow you to be able to chat, and that's when you get to a certain point where you don't want trolls or anybody that's not really interested to follow, because that's a sort of a way to just, you want, if you get to a certain stature is what they say, but you can turn that on if you want. Don't go on other people's channels and talk about yourself. It's just not a good thing on Twitch. But back to this, you can host a channel. You can start a rerun of an episode. As I mentioned, manage a reward request. This is a merch store that I have connected. And these three are my streaming tools that I told you about that you can use on there, and they'll be put on this dashboard right here for you. When you're hosting somebody, you can manage that at the bottom or unhost that person. Then as well, this is your screen so you can check how everything looks. But you want to just stay muted while you're watching or having this open, of course, so you're not double audio, because that effect will sound double to everybody outside of what you hear. And so that's mainly it on the creative dashboard. You can add different buttons on here to make it customizable, so definitely see what works best for you. If it's too much, don't have everything on there. If you only use a couple of these, when you're not going to have ad breaks if you're not an affiliate. I got affiliate back in March, so I've got the ability to add 180-second break, and then I can monetize and get money from people watching it. There's people that are high up and they never hit that ad button and still make 4,000 a stream. So at a certain point, you don't want to push people away by adding too many ad breaks, but you also want to make a little bit of money on the side doing what you love. So feel free to hit that ad button every so often. But that's it. And if you guys want to search more about what's going on, ask for a certain type of video in the comments, and I'll see what I can make involving that and what I might know about it. So again, I'm affiliate, but I'm not a professional yet or live streaming. I just like to share the information that I've found to make it easier for anybody who's starting up, because I just went at this without any knowledge and started researching and figuring things out as I went. So now it's to this point where I've hit affiliate, and I love what I do. So I just would love for anybody who feels in a rut to get some assistance and get you out of that and get you going and creating. All right, if you like what I'm doing and you've seen down there, it's twitch.tv/Scessions. Here's the schedule right here. And if you guys have any more questions, go and search the other streaming tutorials on Sidetrack Sessions YouTube. Peace.